Plant FAQs, Ficus elastica ruby. Ficus elastica ruby, a plant lover's delight. Hi, I'm Ferb Vu, a passionate plant enthusiast, and today I want to share my journey with the stunning Ficus elastica ruby. This vibrant houseplant has captured my heart with its striking variegated leaves and relatively easy care requirements. Let me guide you through everything you need to know about this beautiful plant. See more 880 species in genus Ficus at monsteraholic.com. What is Ficus elastica ruby? Ficus elastica ruby, also known as the ruby rubber plant, is a variety of the Ficus elastica species. It's famous for its gorgeous, variegated foliage featuring a mix of green, pink, and creamy white. The leaves are thick and glossy, making it a perfect statement piece for any indoor space. Native to Southeast Asia, this plant is not just visually appealing, but also relatively hardy and low maintenance, making it a great choice for both novice and experienced plant parents. Ficus elastica ruby versus Belize. I love how Ficus elastica ruby's deep burgundy leaves add a rich, warm tone to my room, while Ficus elastica Belize's variegated pattern brings a refreshing contrast with its creamy edges. Ficus elastica ruby versus Tineke. Ficus elastica ruby's bold color makes it a standout piece in any corner, but Ficus elastica Tineke's elegant mix of green, cream, and pink on its leaves adds a softer, more whimsical touch to my plant collection. How to care for Ficus elastica ruby. Caring for a Ficus elastica ruby involves understanding its basic needs and preferences. Here are some key aspects to consider. Light requirements. Ficus elastica ruby thrives in bright, indirect light. Too much direct sunlight can scorch its leaves, while too little light can cause the vibrant colors to fade. I place mine near a north or east-facing window where it gets plenty of diffused light throughout the day. Watering. Proper watering is crucial for the health of your Ficus elastica ruby. I water mine when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering can lead to root rot, so it's better to err on the side of underwatering. Make sure your pot has good drainage to prevent water from accumulating at the bottom. Humidity and temperature. This plant enjoys a humid environment, typical of its native tropical habitats. If your home is dry, especially during winter, consider using a humidifier or placing the pot on a tray filled with pebbles and water. The ideal temperature range for Ficus elastica ruby is between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Soil and fertilization. A well-draining potting mix is essential. I use a mix of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark to ensure good drainage and aeration. Fertilize your plant every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer, with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. How to propagate Ficus elastica ruby. Propagating Ficus elastica ruby is a rewarding process. The most common method is stem cuttings. Here's how I do it. Select a healthy stem. Choose a stem with at least one leaf and a node, the point where the leaf joins the stem. Make the cut. Using a sterilized knife or scissors, cut about 4 to 6 inches below the node. Rooting. Place the cutting in water or directly into moist soil. If using water, change it every few days to prevent stagnation. Roots should start to develop in a few weeks. Planting. Once the roots are a couple of inches long, transplant the cutting into a pot with well-draining soil. What pests and problems to watch out for? While Ficus elastica ruby is relatively hardy, it can fall prey to common houseplant pests like spider mites, mealybugs, and scale. I inspect my plant regularly and treat any infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Common problems include leaf drop, often caused by overwatering, underwatering, or sudden changes in temperature. Yellowing leaves could indicate overwatering or poor drainage. Brown tips, usually a sign of low humidity or overfertilization. What to plant with Ficus elastica ruby. When considering companion plants, it's important to choose those with similar light and water requirements. Here are a few that pair well. Pothos also enjoys bright, indirect light and similar watering needs. Philodendron prefers the same humidity and light conditions. ZZ plant, another low-maintenance plant that thrives in similar environments. Why choose Ficus elastica ruby? The Ficus elastica ruby is not just a pretty face. Its air-purifying qualities make it a great addition to any home, improving indoor air quality by removing toxins. Its low-maintenance nature means that even busy individuals or novice plant parents can enjoy its beauty without too much hassle. Embracing the Ficus elastica ruby has added a vibrant touch of nature to my home, and I hope you find it as delightful as I do. Whether you're looking to expand your plant collection or just starting out, this plant is a fantastic choice. Happy planting!